I had three options and I selected all. Hi guys, this is day 26 of 100 days freelancing challenge with Jatin Chandel. My project got selected for a pitching round. A little bit of nervousness in me, but also confident. I know things are going in my way. So for next 2-3 month, plan is simple. Morning के peak hours around 3 to 4 hours project को, शाम को around 2 hours if I get time open source project. Most probably I will do this open source part 2. And if I got a freelance project which is simple and can be doable in around a weekend or in 2-3 days, basically I will be taking that project too. So the main goal behind the open source wala part is that I want to improve my skills in this AI engineering wala tech stack, this LangChain, LangGraph, LangSmith, Reg वगैरह LLM वाला चीज, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है that in future they will bloom more. So see you tomorrow.